Hi everyone. So today I have a little bundle to share with you that Diamond Press has brought to HSN for the October Craft Day. So these items were sent free of charge for my review, and of course all opinions are my own. And any links I have in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. And with HSN and YouTube, at the current time, it might be embedded here in the video or a little shop tab under the video there. When I say bundle, I mean each one of these like a kit, right? So these are two separate things, but they're similar. So I just want to show you and let you know that there are two iterations of this, the shaped card kit. This one is the tree and globe, and this one is the party animal. So I'll probably start with the tree and globe, and then in the next video you'll see the party animal, but it's a similar thing with the cute little animal shapes, and you're going to dress them up. And then this one has more like Christmas related items. So let's check that out. It's gonna be very cute. Let's see here. Sometimes when they have things like this, it might be under the same link. So the same link will be for both items. Or it might be two separate links. We will see, right? I am filming these a little early. So tree and globe shaped card kit. So let's check this out. I see rub-ons. That's very cool. And like I said, I'll follow up with the other one. So let's look at the inspo. Lots in here. You can see, so cute. Lots of ephemera. I think this would be something that'd be really fun to work with kids. You know, or a quick card kind of thing. So we have 24 shapes, 12 of each design of the globe, and then the tree. You have 24 A6 envelopes, 72 self-adhesive pearls, 48 self-adhesive rhinestones, 189 gold foil die cuts, and then foam dots of different sizes. Tons of the smaller one, 48 of the larger, because obviously they take up more space than this one on that same sheet. 2 rub-on sheets and 1 popsicle stick, and 144 paper die cuts, you guys. I mean, this is a ton of items here, and then they're showing you some example of how you might want to put those together. Very cute. So let's check this out. So you have your shaped card bases, like I mentioned there. And I know it says A6, but I'm going to give you a measurement as far as the envelope was A6. But these guys, you are going to have a top part, you know, here. So the base itself is like 5 inches, but it is going to be a little taller with the top that's missing there. And then this guy, sorry, is about 5.5 inches tall. So those are card bases. We have your adhesive, again, 2 different types, right? Larger and smaller in the same package here. You have your pearls and your rhinestones here, really cute. So the pearl, like a gray kind of pearl look, light blue, gold, and then green and red. Rhinestones, different sizes. The envelopes, you can put those to the side there. Really cute envelopes, actually. Let me show you. They're stylized, they're just kind of straight across, a little more sophisticated, like that. Your rub-ons to decorate your tree here, and then let's see the second sheet. It looks like little snowflakes. Oh, that's so cute, and they're like silvery, I would say, right? Cute. And look at the little lights and everything. Adorable. And then the applicator there, of course. Let's check these guys out before we go on to the other pieces. You have trees. I see snow, like little snowy mounds and stuff like that in here. Oh, you see those? Look at this big guy. So these are your backgrounds for your shaped tree. And then the snow globe portion, which is probably what I'll work on today because there are more pieces to this, so I'm sure you want to see exactly how that works. But the trees, excuse me, sorry. So for your snow globe, you have some little trees. Super cute. These are like maybe some mountains back there. You have some holly. Obviously, you can decorate to whatever you like. You have your bases. Look at this. I was going to say, this is like a little igloo. Little water features. Well, it looks like kind of like the base, if you have like a little house and everything. I mean, this is just a ton of pieces in here. This one's a little squished there. Man, I used to always say squished instead of squished. So I'm used to saying. And then blue bases, red bases, a whole background piece for those. You have wooden bases, cute signage. Again, lots of trees and fun things. And then you have all these little pieces to help you decorate. So let me move these guys over this way. That's basically your main stuff, I would say. And then here we have all these little ephemera guys, which honestly, if you have some, there's just so much in here left over. How cute for rosettes or tags, all that kind of stuff. I mean, there's just a ton in here. Look at the little ornaments. Oh my goodness. I have one over here. These are so cute. So detailed for being as small as they are. Cute. Gifts and all those kinds of things you can decorate. You have your little snowmen for inside your snow globe. We have sentiments. Christmas in the air. Lots of gifts, season greetings. Everything has like foil. I mean, there's like little penguins, big gold bows. I mean, just a ton of ephemera. Oh, look at the little puppy. Oh my goodness. How cute is that? I was thinking about doing an outdoor scene, but like, you know, I mean, how cute is he? Oh, adorable. You can put him at the foot of the little tree also. I mean, all kinds of things. And then more sentiments, joy to the world. Winter wishes, different colors. I mean, there's just a ton. So, let's think about what I want to do, and we'll just start putting it together. There are a lot of pieces. I do want to mention, you know, how I showed the little puppy with like the little carpet. Of course, the base of your tree, you can do that. You have your little guy, you know, you have your little tree or however, put him in front of that. So just so you can kind of have an idea of how that looks, right? And then you're going to build it up or however. So very cute. And again, I think this is going to be fun with kids and things. So let me put this over here. And you have, it looks like 4 of each tree. So, you know, do we want to go with like a basic kind of blue background? And then, let's see, maybe this one under there. That's very cute. And then you're going to start building up. I probably won't put this down until I have this other part built in. And, you know, we have rub-ons, so we can definitely use those guys. So let me just cut a few of these guys out just so you can see them in action. Maybe just like this strip of them right here. Just getting these larger ones. And let's get the stick here. Sorry. I'm like just trying to open this up. Alright. And generally you're going to cut these guys up. Oh. And I haven't designed anything yet, but I'm just going to go ahead and place these and then we'll see about everything else. So I'm just going to put them up towards the top so that they're definitely going to be visible. Again, I like to kind of use the side of the stick. If you're just kind of pushing like this, you can scratch the paper and it'll just have like lines. So I'm trying to do it in a nice way like this. And then I pick it up slowly just to make sure it is stuck down. And I mean, that looks really great. So let me do a little bit of a close-up for you guys. And we'll do maybe this guy. Again, you just take the backing off. Your image is on the clear part. Yeah, put that one there. Again, if you want to make sure like where your characters are going to be and stuff so that you place these in a way that will be more visible, then definitely do that. They're really, really sticky, the way they make these rub-ons. They're not like the old school rub-ons, guys. So they stick pretty quickly. And, you know, you can make it a little more organic. I know that seems like, but that's okay. And I would peel it away from this way because we're going to take that last bit off. Okay, and it can hang off the side. Cute. Okay, and we can kind of imagine what this looks like. And let's start with some of these background pieces. I mean, we have a big snowy area that we can fill in here. Of course, you can tipsy and turby them however you want. I mean, if you want a couple layers like this one here, and then this one also, and maybe another guy behind the back and over here. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's a lot of ways to build this up. There's a smaller area here. I mean, it's whatever you like, of course, always. So like maybe if that guy was back there, I have to bring it down a little bit more. Something there. So I'm just kind of playing with it right now. See what we got. Oh my goodness, these little guys are so cute. They're holding their little cocoa, different colorways. I mean, just super cute. Let's see. Oh yeah, look at the little ice skating guys again. Is it here? Yeah. I mean, we can have this. Maybe this little guy is back in here somewhere. And then this little guy is up in front like this. I mean, how cute is that? I am digging it. And then this is going to go on top of this, right? So, I did a lot. What I'm going to do, again, you have dimensionals and all these fun things. I'm not like, oh, this has to be exactly the way I just did this. So what I'm going to do, though, is start off maybe gluing this part down. And since I like the way it looks pretty much exactly, I'm going to put a little glue there. And it's okay, we don't have to, we can move this guy. I'm going to put the little glue under here before I get to that. Let's put a little glue here and here. So cute. And then this little guy back here, I'm just going to put a little glue under him. And you can definitely layer this up with dimensionals. I think what I'll do is support the back of this guy with some dimension, maybe that one, but really I'm just going to glue these guys down. It's like this whole piece can just be glued. And the dimension is just there because you have so much going on, and this is really nice stuff. I don't know if I mentioned that. It's not like, it's nice. Okay, so it's sturdy. So we have that. And like I said, if I pick up this whole thing, because now everything's pretty much where I would want, I'm going to turn that over and get some dimensionals on the back of that little tree to keep it up. As far as I'm seeing right now, it'd be very easy for kids to work with this. So where did I put, there it is. I put the stuff over to the side, so I'm like, oh, let me get this out of the way, and then I forgot where I put it. Use this little guy just to support that tree. By the way, Die Impress, if you're listening here, I would love dimensionals, just packs of it this thickness, because it's just a nice kind of low profile dimensional, you know? And that's just going to support the tree. And then maybe our little character, this guy, he's on the same plane. Oop, I would have put that more dead center, but that's all right. And then I'm going to put the glue on this. So just kind of bring that in. Cute. I'm going to move this guy just a little bit. I have it sticking out a little bit there, but that's all right. Okay. So that, let's bring this back. So now I'm going to go ahead and just glue that down also. Really super sweet. And then this guy, we're going to definitely pop up. I mean, I can glue it down, but there are some layers here. But if he's on dimensional, I think that looks really cute. So, I don't know that he's a larger one, but I'll show you the larger dimensionals. And then as for me, I always use up the whole thing. Like all this whole thing can definitely be used up. So like honestly, if you want to just cut like into this bottom portion and use that, because I will cut the whole sheet. So all the way across here. And as you can see, that'll hold that up. And then you can do another strip up here, or you can do a couple circles or whatever. But I just want to show you that I will definitely use up the whole thing. So a couple circles. And let's get that going. So cute. My goodness. They're very happy, having a good time. I'm just kind of layering this in here with that white edge. Okay, I mean that's adorable just as it is, but of course we want our sentiment and fun things like that. So let me clean up just a little bit here. This can go back over here, so I'll package them back the way they were, so we know this is kind of more for the background. Oh, yeah, we also, hold on. Oh my goodness, the little igloos, you guys. I mean, I could have tucked that right behind there, and the little home is there for someone. This is cute, just a little pop of red. And I mean, you know, you can put these things in. I mean, that could have been inside, or however you want to build it up. We can put that swaggy out here on the outside. Christmas is in the air. You know, season's greetings. Oh my goodness. Oh, these are all so cute. There's things like wishing you joy. There's some that are like this kind of thing. Oh my gosh, the little candy canes. There's just so much to do. You are my favorite present. Oh, that's so cute. Definitely for the tree, I'll save that one. I mean, you guys, even this little guy can be in the, you know, in there. But also you can be at the base of the tree, of course. Okay. This is so cute. Sorry. Wishing you joy. Okay, let's go with this one. And I'm just going to glue it down straight because this is already dimensional as it is. And if we want to send it, mail it easy, we're going to go ahead and do something like that. Super cute. And then this little guy, what I'm going to do is what I do sometimes when I Want a little dimension. Let's see if that's glued there, maybe here. Yeah, it isn't. And then here I'll just put a little glue. And that's very cute, and that'll fit in the envelope no problem. So I'm just going to hold that down, and then I'm going to hold this down. Okay, and I'll be back. Okay, guys, I mean, super cute, sturdy, adorable. I mean, that I have no words. It's very cute, very cute. Again, it could be, you know, a little more sophisticated. You can be more childlike, and definitely, I think, a lot of fun for kids. I know Miranda's gonna love playing with this. So, thanks for watching, guys. I mean, I still have. I mean, look at this. There's just a ton still to play with over here. All the little stockings. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. I will have images coming up. I'll have the links in the description box, again, possibly embedded here, and I will follow up with the animal set, and I will see you all at the next one. Bye now.